students, now I am going to 12th problem in exercise 10.2. Okay, 12th problem is a triangle ABC is a drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 centimeters such that the segment BD and DC into which BC is divided by the point of contact D are of length 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Find sides AB and AC. Okay. In this problem given ABC is a triangle. Circumscribe a circle. See this figure. Okay. Side AC is touch a circle at F. BC touch a circle at D. AB touch a circle at E. Okay. Given in this problem given radius, that means radius means OE equal to OF equal to OD. OE equal to OD equal to OF equal to 4 centimeters. Okay. Here B is the external point of BE and BD tangents. So in this problem given BD equal to BE equal to 8 centimeters and C is the external point of CD CF tangents. So CD equal to CF equal to 6 centimeters given. Let if A is the external point of AF and AE, two tangents. So AE equal to AF equal to we take X centimeters. Okay. Now in triangle ABC, small a is BC length because angle A opposite side is BC. So small a is BC. BC also I write BD plus CD. BD means 8 plus CD means 6. That means we get 14 centimeters. Small b means opposite angle of B. Opposite side of B. Okay, that means here AC. I write to AF plus CF. AF means X. CF means 6. Small c is opposite side of angle C. That means AB. AB I write AE plus BA. AE means X. BA means 8. Okay. Now we find out 2S value. 2S formula is A plus B plus C. Okay. So 2S equal to A means 14 plus B means 6 plus X. C means X plus 8. We get value. Here 2S equal to 14 plus 6 is 20, 28 plus 2X. S equal to, we take common 2 on both sides. So we cancellation 2 both sides. We get 14 plus X. S value is 14 plus X. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is the formula for find out area of triangle. Okay. S means 14 plus X. S minus A means subtraction A from S. Here A value is 14. Subtraction from S. 14 plus X. So we get to X. S minus B B subtraction from S value. That means we get value 8. S minus C, that means C subtraction from S. So we get value is 6. We multiply these values, we get 48x into x plus 14. Therefore, area of triangle ABC equal to, in this triangle ABC we observe 3 triangles form. Okay, area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OCA plus area of triangle OAB. Okay. In LHS, area of triangle ABC value is square root of 48x x plus 14 equal to. In RHS, area of triangle ABC, we observe area of triangle OBC. Height is equal to radius of circle. So 4 centimeter. Height is 4 centimeter. Okay. Base means BC. Base means BC. We know the BC value is 4. BC value is A. Okay. So I write here. We know the area of triangle formula of into height into base. Here in this problem, height means 4 centimeter. In this triangle, base means BC. So BC equal to A plus area of triangle OCA. We observe of into height means radius. So 4 centimeters. Base means in triangle OCA. So base means AC. AC is equal to B plus area of triangle OAB. In triangle OAB you observe of into height means radius. So 4 centimeters and base is AB. AB is equal to C. Okay. We take common of into 4. So I write A plus B plus C in RHS. 2 times cancellation 4. In LHS same 48x into x plus 14. Okay. 48x into x plus 14. Here we get value 2 into A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C value from 2s formula. From 2s formula we get A plus B plus C value is from 2s formula. 2s formula is A plus B plus C. Okay. We know the S value. So 2 into S means 14 plus X equal to A plus B plus C. So substitute this value A plus B plus C. That means 2 into 14 plus X. Okay. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides we get. Squaring on both sides we get. Squaring on both sides we get. In LHS is 48x. 48x into x plus 14 equal to, in RHS we get 2 into 2 is 4. Square 4 is squaring, we get 16 into 14 plus x whole square. Both sides in 16 table, 16 3s. Here whole square, here this value is cancellation. In LHS we get 3x equal to, in RHS we get 14 plus x. Okay. X value shifted in LHS. I will write 3x minus x equal to 14. Okay. 3x minus x equal to 14. Next. 3x minus x equal to 14. Therefore, Therefore, 2x equal to 14, x equal to 7, x equal to 7. Now, we find out AB side. AB side we take, AB side is we take in this problem AE plus BE. That means we take, AB value we take, AB value is, okay, correct, AB plus BE. AE means X. AE means X plus BE means 8. Here we get value, X value is 7. 7 plus 8. We get value 15. Also we find out in this problem AC. AC means in this problem AF plus CF. AF means X plus CF means in this problem 6. X value is 7 plus 6. That means we get value is 13. Okay. Understanding this problem? Thank you.